Yo, Star, I can't hear myself in the headphones. I'ma still run it though. Yo, I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6, or even better, nigga, rather be married with kids. But since I'm not, I'm still out here. Gotta carry this cig and keep it strapped tight like a bald bitch when she wearing a wig. You think it's not? It apparently is the type of situation that can get you buried, you dig. So cherish and live every minute like it's your last. Make your future more bright than your past. Every night niggas blasting at each other. Shit real in the city, you gon' need a particular set of skills to come get me. You'll feel when it's in me. Take you just as quick as you came. Take the pain away like sniffing cocaine. When you mention my name, just how your facts straight. I'm trying to stick my dick in this game. Suck her titties when she lactate. Since they ain't trying to get his slaves no back pay, I point my starter gun at your fat face when the rat race begins. My rhymes never paper thin, it's like the word of God. You can put your faith in them if I murder y'all.